Hello to all the wonderful humans. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing well and welcome. I am Aboli and I make science-based skincare and haircare videos. Now let's start with the review of the Korean brand Keep Cool. I'm going to review the Keep Cool Soothe Toner, the Keep Cool Soothe Serum and the Keep Cool Soothe Lotion. So let's begin. Let's start with the Keep Cool Toner. If you've been on my channel, you guys know that I do not use toners in my skincare routine, and the reason is that the whole claims that toners will pH balance your skin, I think is false, because you have to understand that maybe 5 years back it would do the job, but nowadays our cleansers are really gentle and they are also pH balanced, so you don't need anything to balance the skin surface pH. Now the issue can be if your tap water is alkaline or acidic. But understand that one product can't solve that, because if your tap water is alkaline, then you will need something which is acidic, or if your tap water is acidic, then you will need something which is alkaline so that it can neutralize the pH. So you can't expect one product to do both the things, right? When you talk about this particular product, I do not think that it should be named as a toner. It is more like an essence, or I would even call it like a light serum, because it does not have the texture of a toner. I mean, you might feel that because it's watery, but I was so surprised when I first applied it. I'll just show it to you guys, because yeah, it looks like water, but when you put it on your skin, you realize that it is actually like thick water. It is actually very, very, very hydrating, and it is thicker than usual toners but thinner than usual serums. So it is more like an essence. Now how I use this product is I use it as a hydrating serum. If you've seen my minimalist skincare routine, you see that I use hyaluronic acid in my skincare routine. So instead of the hyaluronic acid serum, I use this because I think it works like a serum only. Now another benefit with this product is that it costs 1099 for 160 ml. 160 ml is a lot of product, guys. We usually get somewhere between 50 ml to 100 ml, and that costs around 400 to 600 rupees. So considering the quantity you're getting, 1000 rupees is good enough. But if you're not ready to splurge 1000 rupees, Macaron also has trial packs, and I'm going to talk about this when I talk about the lotion. But Macaron also provides you with the sample size packs. You can take a look at that, try it and see if the product actually works for you. I think every brand should do that, so that so many people can save so much money, especially if you're allergic to some ingredient. You never know how a product would work for your skin. So it's great that Macaron is providing it. With this, it also works great under makeup, because it's a hydrator. So it will give you the glow. Anything which is wet is going to reflect more light. Now the ingredients in the toner is that it has 85% bamboo water. Now bamboo water is a hydrator. However, bamboo water is not a well-researched ingredient like say hyaluronic acid, but it does the job of hydration, and it also provides antioxidants, and it also has different molecular sizes of hyaluronic acid. We guys know that hyaluronic acid is a humectant, but the high molecular size of hyaluronic acid cannot penetrate inside our skin. So what it does is it sits on our skin and hydrates the top layer of the skin. But this also has lower molecular size of HA, which can go inside and then hydrate the inner layers of skin as well. So again, good. And it also has a wonder ingredient, and that is glycerin. Every product has glycerin, and glycerin should get its credit. It has glycerin. Glycerin is a great humectant. It is a cheaper alternative, but it does the job perfectly. And for all the people out there who hate fragrance, this is a fragrance-free product. We are also going to talk about the serum, but according to me, you do not need the toner and the serum in the same skincare routine. Now I'm going to tell you what my experience was with both the products, and you can pick and choose which product you think works for you. Now the serum also has bamboo water. It has 66% of bamboo water, but it also has 4.5% of Centella asiatica, which the toner does not have. So that is a big difference. If you want Centella in your routine, then you can take a look at this serum. Now this serum is also very very light, but it is definitely thicker than the toner, like as it should be. And it also gets absorbed in your skin so quickly. It leaves your skin nicely hydrated, and it's also very soothing, as the name goes, Soothe Serum. But I feel that the toner and the serum, they do kind of the same job. So choose between the two. With the serum, I did notice that it reduced my redness quite a bit. Now you guys can see I'm breaking out left and right, and that is because of a sunscreen that I've used again, which has broken me out. So my skin was very angry. Plus I've started working out, so everything looks very flushed and inflamed. So this product worked in that regard to just soothe your skin. You know, when your skin is angry, you just need something to just calm it down, and this product does its job. It's also fragrance free, so that's great. And there you go, you see it gets absorbed in your skin so quickly, and you see there's a little glow as well. Yeah, that's because it's hydrating your skin. Now this product is expensive. It costs 1700 rupees for 50 ml. Now when you compare the serum and the toner costs 1099 for 160 ml, and this costs 1699 for 50 ml. So if you go for quantity and good hydrators, you should take a look at the toner. I really like the toner. But if you want something which would help with your redness and inflammation, and it's fragrance free, then you can take a look at this product, but it should obviously fit in your budget. Now let's come to my favorite product out of the lot. If you have oily skin, you have to try this product at least once. If you don't want to buy the whole product, just go and try the sample first. You will not be disappointed. It is a lotion, but it's a hydrating lotion, so it does not leave your skin greasy at all, but moisturizes your skin, leaves you with a really nice glow. And just look at how light the lotion is. You can see it is like water. I mean, when I first applied these products, I was very surprised by the texture, because when you look at it, you feel like it's a lotion, but it's almost like water. Even the lotion, it's such an amazing product for oily skin. I have applied the lotion under makeup also. It works great as a primer, and it just leaves a nice glow. You can see it leaves a nice glow. The price of the product is 1119, I think, but for 150 ml. Again, the moisturizers that we usually get on the market are 50 ml of 50 grams for 500-600 rupees. You're getting 150 ml for 1000 rupees. So I think it's good enough for 150 ml. Out of the three products, the lotion is one that I'm definitely going to repurchase, because I haven't used the product with this texture before, which is almost like water but lotion. So it does the job of hydration and moisturization for an oily skin person like me. Okay, now let's talk about the ingredients of the Soothe lotion. It has 52% bamboo water, being like the base of the whole product line. Apart from that, it has again different molecular sizes of hyaluronic acid in it for the hydration. It has glycerin also. One ingredient that I found can be a little problematic, and that is it has coconut oil in it. Now I do not know the percentage of coconut oil that it has, but I cannot smell the coconut oil, and even on application you do not feel that it's oily. But if you have acne prone skin and if you break out with coconut oil, then you should avoid this product, because it clearly has coconut oil in it. Now I have been using this product. It's almost finished. You can see it's still here, and I haven't broken out with this product. In fact, it somehow helps my skin to heal when you pair it with the toner, and I really like the combination. It like how it feels on my skin. It almost feels like this line is made for, you know, oily combination skin types, and I really like that. But it has coconut oil. I haven't broken out with the coconut oil in this product, but beware that it has coconut oil. I was looking for a new moisturizer and I have found it, I think. So yeah, that's it with the review.